MTR X is designed to perform hardness testing in points that are difficult to reach by conventional hardness testers. In this measurement example, we can see the testing of a gear on the tooth top. Here we see the MTR X in its standard conformation. The stand works on 3 axes of motion for maximum versatility. Here we can see the test of a grinded bearing sphere race of an automotive joint. With MTR X, it is also possible to measure on the internal toothing of the same piece. Many accessories complete MTR X, including easily interchangeable extensions. Extensions are available up to a maximum of 200 millimeters. In this example, we applied the 200 millimeter extension to measure the inside diameter of a screw. With a low-load indenter, we measure the inside of a valve stem detail. And finally, here we can see the test on an involvement of a gear shaft.